Okay, so here we are at the conclusion of lesson 1, and what we've looked at today is really the introduction to the module, thought about what it's going to encompass and do, and thought about the assignment. But also we've looked at defining the size and scope of the conference and event industry, and you might well have compared my notes on the lesson for this week with perhaps what's in the textbook and seen that there is some updating, and that is well worth considering. Also, you might well have started to look at defining what an event actually is and how it contributes to the economy, and started to appreciate the impact. We know that for 6 weeks this summer, the conference and event industry is going to have a huge boost based on the Olympics. But also perhaps that boost has gone on long before, or over a period of time before, and will be part of the legacy that is left behind after the Olympics as a real destination of choice for events. And that is much like Barcelona has ended up becoming. But also understood what event tourism is about, and how as soon as you travel to an event you become a tourist for that event too, and how much that also contributes to our hospitality industry as well as the events industry. So for homework, you really need to finish your reading on event tourism strategies and look at some of the case studies in the first few chapters that introduce the size and scope of the industry as well as event tourism. And then you will want to read up on your chapters for homework. Look through your assignment again as well, and start to form your groups so that you can really start to crack on with work from next week and look at your workshops in relation to the event and in relation to being together and coming up with some ideas. So you might want to book in some extra chat room time with each other, as well as with me obviously, on a Tuesday evening, to start thinking about how you work together on your assignments. So next week we will look at conceptualising the event. So have a good week and enjoy week 2's lessons, and I will speak to you on the chat room very soon.